Our goal when we created Hurricane Harbor is to provide the ultimate entertainment experience for everyone visiting Six Flags Over Georgia. This complements our world-class collection of rides, our wonderful family attractions, and the most beautiful theme park in the world just got more beautiful. My favorite part is the relaxation. We're providing an experience for our guests that this park hasn't been able to provide before, to make it an all-day memorable experience where they can come and just plain relax.